Here there is a combination of C and H, while the C alone is pronounced ц. The C plus H is pronounced ch, ch. It's not so different from the ц sound. The difference is that I was saying that the difference is that while in the ц sound, here we have ц, so the C alone, we have just the tip of the tongue touching the back of the teeth, the upper back of the teeth. In the ch sound, for the ACH sound, ch sound, we have all the middle and the point of the tongue touching the upper palate, the middle, the palate. So since the palate is wet, because it has water in it, this sound will be more wet. It will be wetter, while this sound will be more dry. So you can hear it, no water. It has more like a water sound. And this sound is voiced, so it will be pronounced ch, ch, cha, cha, ch, a, cha. Second tone we have cha, cha, which means tea. 中国茶 means Chinese tea. I becomes chai, chai. First tone, chai, chai, to disrupt, to tear open, to take apart. Chai. Then we have ch, an, ch, an, chan, chan. Third tone is chan, chan, to produce. Then again, if we add a G sound to make the N nasal, we will have ch plus ch, chang, chang. Second tone, chang, chang, which means long. Another sound with ch, ch, ch plus ao, ch, ao becomes ciao, ciao, which in Italian and in another few languages means hello or bye. But in Chinese, if we pronounce it with the third sound, in Chinese it becomes ciao, ciao. Then we come to ch, ch, ch. First tone, ch, means car, vehicle. Ch, is pronounced together, chen, chen. Second tone, chen, chen, means dust, dirty, dust. When we add the G and we make this become nasal, it becomes so ch, becomes chung, chung. Second tone, chung, chung, means to become, to accomplish.